From the brightest display on any Samsung flagship phone, desktop class gaming performance, a brand new zoom camera and zoom technology, to even saving your life, these are the 10 biggest changes with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's start off with Live Call Translate. With the help of Galaxy AI that Samsung has officially announced for its 2024 phones, S24 Ultra will be able to translate any language on call in real time. For example, if someone is speaking in German, you will hear and see English in text form. According to Samsung, this is just the beginning of what the S24 Ultra can do with the help of Galaxy AI. You'll be able to type anything to generate images on your phone, which is incredible, as well as have ChatGPT-like AI model that will help you answer any question, as well as help you write better sentences in your messages as well as your email with proper AI suggestions. Galaxy AI will be Samsung's biggest selling feature on the S24 Ultra, but that's just not it. We have a lot more mind-blowing features to discuss, but before we do that, check this out. This is the best power bank I have ever used. The transparent SharkGeek 170 is here and it gets charging done. You can fast charge 3 devices at once using the 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. All thanks to the massive 24,000 mAh battery that delivers ultimate power of 170 watt max output and 140 watt max input. This one power bank easily fast charges my iPhone and my MacBook Pro 14-inch without breaking a sweat. From the looks of it, you can tell that you're not gonna find anything like this in the market because it has a smart display that gives you a full controllable charging experience. You get all the important information right at a glance. It's also the first power bank that I've used that has water resistance. SharkGeek also offers IceMag, which is the world's first magnetic power bank with active cooling, built for gamers in mind with its ice-cooled transparent design and full spectrum dynamic RGB. So don't miss out and don't wait. Click the special links in the description to order these amazing products today. Alrighty, back to the video. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will bring the biggest zoom change of last 5 years when it comes to Samsung flagship phones. Yes, Samsung is set to bring a new 50 megapixel 5x zoom with a bigger sensor size that's going to replace the 10x zoom that we have seen on last 4 generation of the Galaxy S flagships. With this new sensor, Samsung is aiming to achieve the best zoom quality that they have ever delivered when it comes to 5 to 10x range and even beyond that zoom level. Now, this is not the only zoom change that Samsung is bringing. The new optimized 200 megapixel sensor of the S24 Ultra will have the brand new technology that Samsung recently officially announced, and that is Samsung Anyplay zoom. You'll now be able to go from 1 to 4x when you're shooting 4K video without losing any quality. Not just that, you'll be able to take a 4x crop of any 4K video that you have recorded on your phone, choose any frame you like, and have 2 separate videos in your gallery. This zoom will also have AI tracking, so even when you're shooting in the 1x mode, the phone will automatically take a 4x crop of the moving subject in order to track it completely. Considering this new 1 to 4x Anyplay zoom technology and the 50 megapixel 5x zoom, the S24 Ultra could have the most complete zoom performance when you consider the 1 to 10x zoom range. Next up, we have desktop level performance. Galaxy S24 Ultra will exclusively utilize Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This version of 8 Gen 3 has a higher clock speed for GPU compared to a normal 8 Gen 3 for any other phones. Thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, S24 Ultra's GPU capabilities will be on par to a Apple M1 laptop chip, while at the same time surpassing the GPU capabilities of the Apple A17 Pro. We're also going to see nearly the same CPU performance as the Apple A17 Pro chip. Next, we have titanium frame. One of Galaxy S24 Ultra's biggest design change is going to be a proper titanium frame on the sides. This is said to make the phone premium, stronger, and also a bit lighter than previous generation. Now, speaking of design changes, Samsung is set to go fully flat screen on the S24 Ultra. Judging from the live hands-on images that we have seen of the phone already, it is actually rocking a fully flat display with record-breaking screen-to-body ratio, even slimmer bezels than the S23 Ultra. Next up, we have the brightest OLED display that Samsung has ever put on its Galaxy flagship. Yes, not just the S24 Ultra, but entire S24 series will have a 2600 nits of peak brightness OLED screen. While Apple is busy bringing 60Hz display to iPhone 16 and 16 Plus next year, Samsung is going above and beyond to bring 120Hz LTPO refresh rate screen tech for not just the S24 Ultra, but also for the S24 Plus and the vanilla S24 model. This will improve the battery efficiency, especially for the S24 and the S24 Plus models. And last but most importantly, Galaxy S24 Ultra will save your life. According to the president of Samsung LSI Business, in 2024, Samsung will be bringing their satellite connectivity officially on their flagship phones. With this, no matter where you are on planet Earth, you'll be able to send or receive emergency messages with the help of satellite connectivity. There we go, these are 10 of the biggest changes on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The official Unpacked launch is rumored to be set on January 17th next year, 2024. Let me know which one is your favorite feature out of this list in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.